G'day guys and welcome to today's NY market update video. Going to be a quick one today guys, but anyway, before I get underway, make sure to hit the like button, and also guys, don't forget the free Discord community group is now open. Please do join it. There is a lot of value in there. I've been posting chart markups, analysis for London and NY on multiple pairs, even posted a chart Bitcoin. The community chat is absolutely rocking right now, so that is new and just started obviously today. It's up and running, so do join it. There's a link in the description down below. Feel free to chat away, share analysis, and get amongst it. Also, I will be doing a small NY session only for the Discord members, so it's for free. Join up and I will catch you on that live call very shortly. All right, so without further ado, let's have a look at the analysis. I'm going to use the marked up charts today, so I'm looking at NAS to begin. So NAS, well, first of all, the bias is bearish. We've got the current weekly forming quite a strong bearish candle. We've got the previous daily did close back bearish. Current candle is pulling back quite significantly into that previous daily candle, but still not a great deal of volume. We have not created a lower wick. We are technically bearish in structure. Looking at the 4 hour, a bit of a mess on the 4 hour. Just consolidating, no lower wick in the current 4 hour candle. But now once we go down to M30, I'll pull back up the drawings. You can see we're starting to form a bit of structure within the current daily candle, a series of high lows, higher highs. If we just reject just now and form a resistance, then what I'd be looking for is a nice strong candle closure back above the resistance, coming to a higher time of volume, and then that could make the drive up towards that 1765 sort of level. So that'd be a potential buy option. However, good thing is within the current daily candle form support here at that 17,424 roughly. If we are to continue bullish, then what we should be doing is pulling back down to it and essentially as form of support, head back up. Now, however, this support fails and we end up doing this where we start to pop below it, close below it, then what we're likely going to do is create a lower low, and I could see price eventually coming back down towards that 733 or 7340 roughly. So that is some quick analysis on NAS. Looking at gold, gold has made the move down. As per the analysis on stream, we did mention 2300 is a realistic level of price. Broke the support here at that 2307. We're going to see some nice sells on the stream. I've just sent this chart into the free Discord group. There is a much more detailed description in the actual posting of the chart in the comment section. So take a look at that. However, right now, what I'll be looking at on gold is in a big move to the downside, big impulse to the downside. So I want to see how price reacts to this support. If it holds, we start to form a bit of structure at these lows. I'll be waiting for a series of high lows, higher highs. Look for strong closures on the M30, back above this support, and then I may start considering buys of this 4 hour support. Otherwise, I just like to see price pull back from this level, form a lower high, potentially sell from higher up. Could potentially pull back to this previous support that's just broken out of form of resistance, head back down. However, it could just create another lower high, bounce off this level, and start popping below 2296. If it does so, I would be looking for my potential sell options to take it back down. Onto GU just quickly. It's moved into that green zone. Now, not really moving though, not really trending. It's trickle as per the stream really on GU. Bit of indecision. So if this candle closed back bearish engulfing now in the next 10 minutes, 9 and a bit minutes, I would consider sell options, take it back down towards 124.935. Otherwise, I just avoid GU. I don't think it doesn't look good at all, to be honest. And last but not least, GJ. So again, within the current daily, we're trading to the downside. Previous daily did close, well, we are now trading to the downside after creating the upper wick. Significant upper wick. Previous daily did close back a pretty strong bearish candle. The bias right now, the weekly is forming quite strong bearish. The bias is neutral, but with the M30 bearish and the way the current daily candle is pulling back and was creating same as gold, lower highs, lower lows, I would just be looking for price to pull back to retest levels of resistance. If it does reject those levels, we'll go psychological round number 194.80. I'll look for my sell options, take it back down. Seeing with just form support at the current level, that would also give me a sell option below that level. We're currently pulling back. We make a lower high, begin to pop below the support just here. at around that 194, 150, then I would look for my sell options taken back down towards 193.40 and retest the previous daily candles low. If we are to, however, bounce off, and what I'd be wanting to see for buys is price begin to pop above, close above a resistance formed within the current daily candle here at that 194.90. Since we do that, what we're likely to do is head back up to retest the next level of resistance, which is the level here at 195.750 roughly. So that is the quick update. Once again, if you have not joined the free Discord group, please do so. Why not? It's for free. I'll be seeing you guys who are in the Discord group shortly for a quick NY update, or NY session, sorry. And otherwise, guys, do give the video a like, and I shall see you tomorrow around 7:30 AM for London session. It's been a fantastic week. Let's finish it off in a good way. I'll see you all then. Cheers for your support. Bye for now, guys.